Hello friends, my name is Neeraj and welcome to my channel Tutorial Web Design. So in this video we will learn how to install Emmet in the Sublime Code Editor. It is very easy to install Emmet on the Sublime Code Editor. Open Sublime official website. First of all you have to install this Sublime Code Editor if it is not installed on your system. So from where you can install this? You can install this from SublimeText.com. Show you the official website. This is the official website of Sublime Code Editor. Download for Windows, you can download it from here. Once downloaded, install it and then open it. SublimeText 3, click on SublimeText 3. This is the screen which you will see. Okay, go to Prefrences, click on the package control and then click on enable package and type Emmet. Okay, this is the Emmet. Click on Emmet and see in the bottom one package Emmet successfully. It was written here. We'll show you one more time. Package control, enable package. See in the status bar Emmet CSS snippet successfully. Now how to check this Emmet has been installed on Sublime Text Editor or not? What you have to do is first of all you have to convert this page into HTML. First index.html. Okay, save it. Okay, press the TOC doc tab button. See this in the body, div plus div. Press the tab. Successfully created 2 instances of the div. P plus P plus P plus P plus div plus div. Press the tab button and will automatically convert into opening and closing tag of HTML text which I have written. Just the name is sufficient. Like section, will convert it into section. Article, convert it into article. H1 will convert into H1. Span will convert into span. Div will convert into div. UL will convert to UL. LI, complete LI. Okay, so this is the magic. Now you can imagine how it can improve the workflow of writing HTML and CSS code. Friends, in the next video we will learn the various abbreviations and various tags and various short forms of these HTML tags and style sheets which we can use while writing HTML and CSS code. Okay, and thanks.